Any y'all could tell me what this is, I will reward you with a shout out. This right here is our Chicago Pneumatic with a Hercules motor in it. Giving us real pains right now, but hopefully we can get her turned around. Put a new oil gauge in her, or water gauge, excuse me, and then the oil gauge still works. Finally got that to work. Put a new battery in her and pressurized oil in the cylinders. Let's hope she starts.